It's backfiring. It's someone that's gaining clarity about the fact that no matter what they try and do to you, it just won't work. This person felt like they could outsmart you. They felt like they can maneuver around you and try and trip you up in some way, try and slow you down, try and cause major endings in your life. But to their shock, if it hasn't happened already, or it will definitely happen, they're going to witness your success, they're going to witness your victory. Everything that you said that you were going to do, you're going to achieve it, and this person is going to have to witness it. This is going to be part of their karma. For some of you, this could be a mother figure. This could be, unfortunately for some of you, your mother, or this could be someone that you know that has children. This could also be mother-in-law, is what I'm picking up. And this person's very threatened by you, very jealous of your grace, your charm, your beauty, the way that you respect yourself. They wanted to see a lot of upheavals in your life, and I feel like they were very instrumental in regards to causing a lot of upheavals in your life. They wanted you to give up, and the fact that you haven't given up is very astonishing and shocking to this individual. This person is going to be taken aback by the fact that not only have you not given up on yourself, but you are very respected by others. You are praised, recognized for your skills and your talents. This person is very fixated and very jealous of your beauty. They never liked you because of your inner beauty and outer beauty. And for some of you, this person pretended to be a friend to you, or this could be someone in a group, club, organization that you belong to. For some of you, this person is going to witness your success in regards to your social media. You could have an online business for some of you. Some of you could have an online shop, and it's going to be very successful. For some of you, this person cannot access you because you've blocked them, and this angers this individual. For others of you, I feel like this person has access to you, and they're very gobsmacked, is what I'm hearing, about the amount of love and followers that you receive, to the point where they're going to refuse to actually look online to see you, because this was not part of the plan. They wanted you to fail, and they're going to see that despite what they wanted, what energy they sent out to you, it's going to backfire and it's going to return. This person wanted you to be unstable and unbalanced. This individual is very toxic. You could be dealing with a narcissist. And I don't feel like you've done anything to this individual. I just feel like whatever this person conjured up, because of their low vibration, because of their lack mindset, because of their one-upmanship in regards to always trying to outdo people. This person has an energy whereby they just want to beat everyone at all costs. They cannot stand to see people doing well. They are very vengeful for no reason. They're very materialistic. They like to gloat on others. They like to stunt on others. And they like people to be beneath them. And this is in regards to friends, family members, partners even. This person controls others with money, and this person uses money as a weapon. This person wanted to see you destitute, is what I'm picking up. But Spirit is saying that's not going to happen, because you're going to lead a very abundant life, a very fulfilled life, where you and your family are going to be abundant in all areas of your life. Wealth, health, I should have said first and foremostly, wealth and happiness, right? And this person, they may have all the money in the world, but they're unhappy. And this is one of the reasons why they're very angry and jealous of you, because you are very abundant, and they know that you can alchemize and you can, turn anything into gold. They're very jealous of your happiness. They're very jealous of your peace, because this person is very miserable, and all they cling on to is money. All they focus on is money. They lack inner peace. They don't have an open heart. They're jealous of the fact that you exude love, and they try to attack you. They try to take things away from you because they wanted your heart chakra to be closed. They wanted you to feel as if no one likes you. They're jealous of your intelligence. So they're very fearful of the fact that you are beauty and brains, and you're very compassionate. You know, this is a fear to this individual because they feel like you're on your way to some sort of success and victory. And for some of you, again, this person fixates and obsesses about you. And Spirit is saying that when they're doing this, they're trying to send out, a energy of slowing you down. They want to slow you down. They don't want to see your progress. They don't want you to believe in yourself. They want you to second guess yourself, because they feel like you have all these gifts and talents. And if you use these gifts and talents, it's going to lead to a lot of financial gain. And they want to steer you off your path, because they feel as if they deserve to have the victory and blessings that you are going to have. And for some of you, this could be a family member as well. I also feel like this person is going to receive karma. The more they fixate on you, the more they try and send out energy to slow you down, energy of delay, energy to attack your money, energy to attack your career. It's going to backfire and happen to them. You are going towards great love. For some of you, this person tried to attack your love life. They wanted you to connect with F boys and F girls. This is what's going to happen to them. They're going to be in this type of energy, or they're going to be attracting these types of partners. You are not going to be in these types of dynamics anymore. If you had a tendency to date partners that were in that F boy, F girl energy, that era's come to an end now. You are going to start seeing all your wishes being fulfilled. Spirit is on your side. You've learned your lessons, and obviously learning lessons is an ongoing process, but you've gone through a cycle now that this person is trying to reopen for you. I feel like this person is trying to make you relive some sort of trauma